Going guys, welcome to TechZoo. Today we're going over a Leetcode question called merged intervals. Given a collection of intervals, merge all overlapping intervals. So if our input is like this, the output should be like this two intervals should be merged into 1 to 6 because they are overlapping. Other intervals, because they do not overlap with those intervals before, those can just be added to our list. Yeah, and this also should be merged. Okay, looks like a lot of companies, so looks like it's a very popular question. So I'm coding in Python. Like I said, our idea is to kind of like initialize and result, initialize our result as a list. And first of all, we can put whatever is the first interval into our list. And for the other intervals, we can just check whether it's overlapping with the first intervals, with the previous intervals or not. If it is overlapping, we just merge. So basically, we merge them by getting the maximum of these two numbers. Okay. Yeah, and if it's not like overlapping with the intervals, we can just add the interval to our result intervals. So first of all, we have to sort our intervals because in our example, it's sorted by the first index. But in real life, like this 15 to 18 can easily go at the first place. So it's not sorted, and that's not good. So we want to first of all sort our input intervals by the first character. So let me just write that. Intervals dot sort, and sort can take in parameter called key. So our key is gonna be a lambda function, and lambda x is 0. So this statement basically is saying that first of all, let's sort our intervals by the index position 0. So you can see that 1, 2, 8, 15. So it's like sorted like that. Okay, so that's our first step. And let's initialize our result called merged. If not merged, so if there is nothing in our merged list, or our merged or last elements is smaller than our, okay, let's write a for loop first. For I in intervals, if not merged or merged, smaller than, then we can just add append the intervals to our merged list. So this is basically saying that if there is nothing in our list, basically we are just trying to put the first interval into our result list. Or if let's see this example. So if the intervals we're trying to put, like the first element is even bigger than our merged list